We celebrate the profound impact of the National Commission on Muslim Filipinos and its pivotal role in facilitating the sacred journey of Hajj, encapsulated by the tagline, Trabaho Ko, Ibadah Ko. At the heart of its mission lies the facilitation of Hajj, one of the five pillars of Islam, a sacred pilgrimage that holds immense spiritual significance for millions of Muslims worldwide.
And of the almost 2 billion Muslims around the world, you have been blessed to be the chosen few to fulfill this Islamic obligation. You have been chosen to be visitors to a place where prophets have walked.
It has been my aspiration since I was a child to perform my pilgrimage. I will perform my Hajj pilgrimage journey with my parents from the retirement pension of my parents, alhamdulillah. I am overwhelmed with joy and alhamdulillah, inshallah, we'll be performing it.
We've just finished our ceremonial send out to our 150 pilgrims boarding the Oman Air. So we wish that they have their safety travel to Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, inshallah.